Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Tonight on the channel we have a canvas, or as Craft Addict calls it, a canvases. When I was watching her video, she said, whereas we call it canvas, she went canvases, and I'm thinking, what? So yeah, we have a unboxing. Now this has been on my list for so long, and last night they had a really good offer on it. It was dropped down in price and I just had to get it. So let's get into this. This came today from the factory, and let's see what we got in here. Is it going to be a flat one or a roll up? So yeah, it's a rollie. Lovely. Can you guess what it is, guys? I was so excited for this. So I've wanted this for so long, and it was supposed to be part of my beach theme last year, but that theme sort of went out the window. So I have got myself, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Look. Oh, yes, look at that. Oh, man. That is so good. You don't get the wow factor until you get it in person, but it's a 30x30. We've got 21 colours here, and it's a little blue turtle in the ocean. Now, they do have the different varieties of these. It's not just turtles, they've got sea horses, all sorts going on. But I wanted it for last year, and unfortunately, the summer theme went a bit out the wall, up the wall. You know, out the window as they call it. But I really was true to this because my favourite colour is blue, and obviously, as you see here, I love blue. I've got blue wax, blue pens, you name it, I've got it. And what I liked about this was it's not a dark blue, it's not a light blue, but it's just that beautiful turquoise. We've got ourselves a starfish there, probably a shell going around the edge here, that lovely pow back background, that didn't sound right, pow background, and then we've got this seaweed going up, which is really gorgeous. I'm not entirely sure what this is supposed to be. It looks like some sort of I don't know what that is, like some shell of some sort, but it doesn't look like a fish. Having said that, it looks like there's an eyeball with a little mouth. I don't know what it is, but I want to turn my bathroom into like an ocean theme, you know, where you can get them fishing nets that you hang on the wall. I want to turn that into that, put this in there, and yeah, so really love this painting very much. So let's get into the drills and we'll show you what they look like. So as you can see, you stand a boat with the pin there, no bags this time, so sorry Tessie, you're out of luck. And then we've got the drills here. So yeah, I think they were selling that for like $12.99, which was, I thought, a bit steep for 30x30. And then last night they dropped it down to, I think it was like $2.99. So I was like, oh, right, quick, grab it. So yeah, in here we've got our white drills, as you can see, white. We've got green, we've got a teal, we've got a blue, a white, and well, a minty white. We've got a light blue, a green, an orange, a dark blue, a light blue, a orange, another blue. There's a hell of a lot of blue in this, teal, and considering that's only like the turtle and the seaweed, that is quite a lot of blue. And then we've got a blue, a minty blue. That is bloody gorgeous, that colour. I love that very much. It's probably going to be the lightness of the shell. And then we've got the brown, and another brown. So a lovely sort of shade from light to dark there. And yeah, I think that colour there, this lighty blue colour, it's probably going to be this white bit round here. But I love it very much. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really happy with this. I mean, it's, as I said, we don't know what it's going to turn out like. You always have that. I think as a creator, for me, I always have that fear. Is it going to be pixelated? Is it going to be the old style? But some surprise you, it's very rare that I get a painting that looks pretty shit. But let's be honest, I love it. I really love it, and it makes me want to get the seahorse now. There's a big collection of them, so yes, that will be all done and ready for the bathroom. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like there's like a line going through here, so whether that's a fishing line. Again, I'm not sure what that is. It looks like a frog or a toad, so I'm not sure what that is. But overall, let me know what you think. I think, you know, really gorgeous, absolutely love it. And I think because it's light blue, it's not dark blue, it just adds that finishing touch to it. So I absolutely over the moon with that. £3, thank you very much. And that's that unboxing that's that unboxing for today. So that will go in my new pink file, ready for when we do the bathroom. Because I won't have time to do it before Christmas, because I've got all Christmas runs to do. So, but I am itching to get started into it. It's funny, isn't it? Like some paintings you get, you like, right, put it to the side, and then others you just rip into it and get going on it because you so want to get into it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you want to get this for yourself, I'll put the link on the description of the video so that you guys can get it. Please always remember to like, share, subscribe, and always tap the notification bell, and you'll be notified when a video pops up on the channel. A like is always appreciated, and your support continues us to allow us to do more videos, more exciting content, and yeah, very, very happy indeed with this purchase. Over the bloody moon and back. But anyway, take care guys, have a lovely day, see you next time, bye.